This home is complete. Please visit Model Home at 840 Leamington for assistance. Open daily 11 a.m., 7 o'clock p.m. Built by Classic American Homes. The Oklahoma floor plan model home, wonderful 2-story with 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, beautiful kitchen, granite countertops with kitchen island, tile backsplash and stainless steel appliances. This home is a great floor plan with a large living area and separate dining room open to kitchen. This plan has a loft looking over the open living room area. Master bedroom is downstairs with walk-in closet and double vanity sinks and separate tub and shower. Front landscape finished with a stamped concrete driveway. Pictures are for proposed floor plan and for demonstration purpose only.